Okay, I'm going to show you the easiest way that I know to do a fraction. And I've just created a little table so it looks kind of like what you would be doing. But if I wanted to create a fraction, now I'm in Microsoft Word. I go to Insert, and then I'm going right here inside of the table. I'm here. And you see over here where I have equation? This is going to help me to insert a mathematical looking anything, but the fraction is here. I click. You see where it has fractions? This is fractions, like this is exponents, radicals. Those are the unique things that we use in math. I hit here. This is the fraction that I want. And suppose that my fraction that I wanted on top was x squared. Well, if I just put x and then I went over here and I did this, it doesn't work right. You have to kind of give it the template first. So I would put the little box, and I'm going to put an x here, and then I would go and put in the square. Then at the bottom, whatever, say it was just x plus 1, x plus 1. I literally put in, just hit your keyboard and put it in. Sometimes you can do things to make your appearance look better, but that's the way you do that. And then you would copy this with either Jing, or depending on, I have, this is a Mac, so I have to use Jing as what I like, or if you've got a Windows-based machine, you use the snipping tool and then post it on in. Hope this will help.